Okay, just gonna get going here. It's gonna be about a 45-minute drive, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with the drive. So I'll see you guys when I get to the lake, and yeah, we'll start from there. All right. There's all my gear. I just made it to my destination. Got my cooler, everything tent, everything set up here, and yeah, very nice place. As you can see, I think there's a few cows. I think that come through here. I found some tracks. Beautiful place. Water's nice and calm, clear. Beautiful. Okay, now we'll go look around and see where I can find to set up a tent here. A lot of deadfall around here. Lots of places to set up. But I think I might just set up right here. This looks like just as good as any right here. There is cows in here. I'm sleeping with the cows tonight. Great. As long as they stay away from me when I'm sleeping, that's all good. Well, looks like some cows. I've got some company over here. There's a few more. Well, as long as they stay away from me, it's all good. I won't bother them if they don't bother me. All right. Here we go, everything's all set up. Okay, these things are getting a little bit too close to my camp. But they were here first. So yeah, there's a baby. This is their land, not mine. I gotta respect their land. They're my camping buddies for the night, I guess. Well, if he gets any closer, he's gonna be in the frying pan. No, I'm just kidding. It's getting a little close, but I think they're pretty friendly. All right. It's a whole bunch of them actually. Okay, well, we're gonna go try and find some something to start a fire here. Some sticks maybe, or I think I see some. Hey, we'll just grab a few of these and see here. Just break off some of these. Okay, let's just carry this over here then. Nice old pelican there. It's a big bird, I tell you. Pork chops. That's on the menu tonight. All right, supper's on soon here. First ever pork chop kebabs. Pork chop on a stick over the coals. Beautiful.